In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram repost option not showing problem. Let's get started. First, check for app update. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now I can launch it and check whether the repost option is available or not. This might resolve the issue. Next, if this solution didn't work out for you, you can launch Instagram. Navigate to profile page, click on 3 bars. Now scroll down. Head over to the option Creator Tools and Controls or Business Tools and Controls. Click on it. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option Switch Account Type and set it to Personal Account. In case it's Personal Account, you can switch it to Professional Account. Then check whether repost option is available or not. If the solution didn't work out for you, you can report to Instagram support team. For that, head back to the main page of settings, scroll down. Navigate to the option Help, then click on the option Report a Problem. Click on the option Report Problem without checking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here, explain about the issue that Instagram repost option is not available in your account and send it. Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram repost option not showing. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.